As a pediatrician and a mom, I've seen countless children with stomach aches. It's one of the most common reasons parents bring their little ones to my clinic. While it's alarming to see your child in discomfort, most stomach aches are harmless and pass quickly. Rest assured, with a little knowledge, you can help your child feel better soon. Let's dive into the common causes of stomach aches and effective ways to soothe those tiny tummies. Stomach aches can be tricky, often leaving parents puzzled about the cause. Is it something they ate? Are they coming down with something? The good news is that most stomach aches are not serious and can be managed with simple home remedies. However, it's essential to recognize when a stomach ache warrants a doctor's visit. Throughout this guide, we'll equip you with the knowledge to differentiate between a typical tummy ache and a more serious condition. We'll explore common causes, practical solutions, and when it's crucial to seek professional medical advice. Remember, you know your child best, and trusting your instincts is paramount. Let's work together to make those tummy troubles a distant memory and bring back your child's happy, healthy smile. Indigestion is a frequent offender, often caused by eating too quickly, greasy foods, or food sensitivities. Imagine a traffic jam in your child's tummy. That's indigestion. Next, we have constipation, a common woe for little ones still developing regular bowel movements. Constipation can be quite uncomfortable, leading to those dreaded tummy aches. Lastly, infections like the stomach flu can wreak havoc on your child's digestive system, causing nausea, vomiting, and, of course, stomach pain. These infections are often accompanied by other symptoms like fever or diarrhea. While these three culprits are common, it's important to remember that each child is unique. What causes a stomach ache in one child may not be the trigger for another. Paying attention to your child's symptoms and patterns can provide valuable clues about the cause of their discomfort. Keep a close eye on what they eat, their bowel movements, and any other accompanying symptoms. This information can be incredibly helpful when consulting with your pediatrician. Remember, you are your child's best advocate, and your observations are invaluable in helping them feel better. When your little one is hit with a stomach ache, one of the first lines of defense is adjusting their diet. Start by offering bland foods like toast, rice, applesauce, and bananas. These gentle options are easy to digest and won't irritate their sensitive tummies. Avoid fatty, greasy, or spicy foods, as these can worsen their discomfort. Encourage your child to eat slowly and chew their food thoroughly. This helps prevent indigestion and allows their little tummies to process food more efficiently. Incorporate fiber-rich foods into their diet gradually. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are excellent sources of fiber, which aids digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. However, if your child is not used to a high-fiber diet, introduce these foods slowly to avoid overwhelming their system. Remember, every child is different, and what works for one may not work for another. Pay attention to how your child responds to different foods and adjust their diet accordingly. If you're unsure about specific foods, don't hesitate to consult your pediatrician or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. Section 4. Hydration. The flow that soothes. Hydration is crucial, especially when your child has a stomach ache. Encourage them to sip on clear liquids like water throughout the day. Water helps flush out toxins, keeps them hydrated, and aids in digestion. Avoid sugary drinks like soda or juice, as these can worsen their symptoms. If your child is vomiting or has diarrhea, electrolyte solutions like Pedialyte can help replenish lost fluids and electrolytes. Think of hydration as a gentle stream that keeps things moving smoothly in their tummy. Just like a car needs fuel to run, our bodies need water to function correctly. When we're dehydrated, our bodies can't perform at their best, and this can exacerbate stomach discomfort. Creating fun and engaging ways to encourage your child to drink plenty of fluids can make a big difference. Try using silly straws, colorful cups, or even making ice pops with diluted juice or electrolyte solutions. Section 5. When to worry. Recognizing red flags. While most stomach aches are harmless, some warrant a doctor's visit. If your child experiences severe abdominal pain, especially if it's concentrated in a specific area, seek medical attention immediately. Other red flags include high fever, persistent vomiting or diarrhea, especially if it's bloody, unexplained weight loss, or if your child is unusually lethargic or irritable. Trust your instincts. If you're unsure whether your child's symptoms require medical attention, it's always best to err on the side of caution and consult your pediatrician. They can assess your child's condition, provide appropriate treatment, and offer reassurance. Remember, you are your child's best advocate, and seeking professional medical advice when needed is a sign of responsible parenting. Your pediatrician is there to support you and your child's well-being. Section 6. Conclusion. You've got this, parents. Navigating the world of childhood stomach aches can feel daunting, but armed with the right knowledge, you're well equipped to handle those tummy troubles like a pro. Remember, a calm and reassuring approach can work wonders in soothing your little one's discomfort. By focusing on simple dietary changes, ensuring proper hydration, and recognizing when to seek professional help, you'll be back to enjoying those carefree moments with your child in no time. As a parent, you are your child's greatest source of comfort and care. Trust your instincts, and don't hesitate to reach out to your pediatrician if you have any concerns. Together, we can conquer those tummy troubles and keep those precious smiles beaming bright.